Hey guys, welcome back to Brick Spy. I am going to unbox my next set. I'm going to continue on with the city farm theme, and the next set I'm going to review is the set number 7684, the pig farm and tractor. If you notice on the box, the tractor is green. It's pretty cool. So if you have the other tractor, you'll have two different color tractors, obviously. So there is the front of the box. The side, the back, bottom, dusty, yeah, side. Who cares about the sides, right? But I'll show them to you anyway. Can't remember which side I prefer to cut open. Probably the right side. So I can't find my handy dandy X-Acto knife, so I'll use a regular knife. And I sharpened it. Nice and sharp. There we go. So let's see what we got inside of here. I think we have probably Lego pieces. How many of you think there's going to be Lego pieces inside? A book. Of course, it's folded in half. You guys all know how much I love that. So there's two books actually. Let's get them kind of flattened out. And it looks like we got some other sets here. That's pretty cool. I have all those. Nothing else in there. You can hear the banging on the glass table, and I just kicked the camera. Anyway, so three bags and a plate. So there you have it. Unboxing of set number 7684, 256 pieces. The pig farm and the tractor. So stay tuned for the speed build of this set and the review. And as always, please rate me a thumbs up, comment, good comments only please, and subscribe. Hopefully you guys have a great day.